Everyone, good morning. Welcome to another session of Python tutorials from All About ECG. In today's session, we are going to discuss about how to take user input in array. It means you don't want to enter the entire array at a time, but you need to ask from the user itself, and also whatever you are entering the array, you need to search an element based on the requirement. Okay, for that we need to go and we need to code for today. So for that, we need to first initially we need to have an array. Correct, right? An array equals to array. You need to define the what is the type, right? So you need to define the type of that. I'm defining as integer. After that, I don't want to maintain. It means I don't want to initially not to given the values. I need to take from the user. For that, I'm using the blank. It means empty square brackets. In that we need to. Before that we need to import an library, right? From array import. I need to use all the libraries. In this case, we need to use star operator. Correct, right? So in such a case, we are defining the values. If that is the case, I need to know the first what is the length of my array, right? So for that, I need to take the length. So for that, I need to initialize one variable. So, but if you take the input from the user, it will use in terms of string, right? So the I need to convert into integer type. So int input, enter the length. Okay, enter the length. So this will give you the length of the array. Correct, right? So, but I need to enter some values, right? Suppose let's take n is equals to 4. So I need to enter the 4 values. It means it has to ask the user 4 times, right? For that, what we require for loop. To it means what I should exactly tell is to take the multiple inputs instead of writing multiple statements. We need to go for the loops itself, right? For I in range, what is the range of n? So for I in range, we need to assign that array to another element. So we need to take same thing, right? Input value, whatever we are taking, that values is itself integer values only, right? So enter the array elements, enter the array elements. So whatever these elements we need to append, right? So and it means we need to store it into the this array. So for that, what we need in this, we have one element called array dot append. Array dot append x. This will give you the array elements and print in that one. So apart from this, I need to print the entire array. Correct, right? What in such case, what I need to print array. Let's run this code. Whether it, I hope this will give the exact answer. So I will take 4 values, elements like 14, 16, 13. Okay, I'll take Raman. This will give the my array 14, 15, 15, 18, right? So in this way, the input from the user taken and we are storing the elements in array like 14, 15, 15, 18. So but I don't want to all these things, but in same thing we need to have a element such that I need to search the element. It's like in C++ we have linear search, right? So I need to search the element of 18. What is the element? Where the position? It means I need to find the element and I need to know the what is the index of that element. For that, what we need? Again, we need one loop, same loop only, right? We are continuing. So for that, for here I is representing index numbers, but here this we. So to avoid the confusion, I will take another variable I. E represents the elements. What are the elements? 14, 15, 15, 18, right? Those are the elements. In what are the range? We are expecting same thing, right? Whatever there in Same thing, whatever there in the array. If I forgot to what is the element we need to search, right? So for that we need to enter the value, right? Value equals to same thing, right? Integer input input enter the element to search. Enter the element to search. Correct, right? We need to search the element. So if e in array, correct, right? Same thing. What we need to find if my. So before that, I need to print the indices value, right? How to print indices value? Let's take another variable k equals to 0. If my value is found, then I need to increment the value, right? So I need to increment the value k plus equals to 1. Then if my indices is equals to whatever the value, then I need to print the value of k, as well as wherever it find, I need to break itself. I need to break at that time itself. So I don't want to print, I don't want to continue again and again, right? So let's run this one. I hope this will work. Enter the length. In this case, I'll take let's 4 and element 15, 14, 47, 58. Okay, enter the element to search. I will enter 47. 47. So 15, 0, 1, 2, 3. So indices are 0, 0, 1, 2, right? So indices of what is this is 47, right? So let's suppose run. If I have wow, what if we enter out of boundary element? And such a case, what we will get also we need to know, right? Okay, suppose I'll enter 4 elements itself. I'll enter 14, 52, 48, 75. And what is the element to search? Element to search, right? Element to search, I'll enter 45. 45, it is not executing, right? In such a case, what I need to know, right? So, in such a case, I want to print something beyond this one. Okay. If the element is not found, then on such a case, I need to print else print nothing found. Print not found. I need to keep in else block itself, right? Okay. If it is not happening, if element is not found, then I need to enter. Let's run this code. Okay, sorry. So same thing, what if I have the multiple elements in the same array? It means in similar case you have seen 14, 45, 47, 45. Are the similar type of elements, but what if in such a case we want to print two elements, right? But we are printing only one indices. Why? Because whenever this value is found, we are terminating the there itself with the help of break. So that's why we are getting this type of situation. So I hope this is very clear. And if you have any doubts regarding this, how to take the user input from the user, and how to keep it values, and how to open into array, and how to search the values, all these things I have been explained very clearly and thoroughly. I don't have any doubts regarding this one. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. And if you are not subscribed till now my channel, please subscribe my channel. That makes me motivate to do more videos. And hit the bell icon and please press the bell icon and also like button. That makes me to do and motivate me to do more videos like this way. Thank you for watching.